In this lesson, we're going to be talking about pizzicato. Pizzicato is when you pluck the strings of your violin with your fingers. The violin has 4 strings: G, D, A, and E. We call these the open strings. Now, bring the violin to your shoulder and your chin. Put your right thumb on the edge of the fingerboard, and be careful not to pluck your strings between the fingerboard and the bridge. This is a space that is only reserved for your bow. So now, placing your thumb on the fingerboard, pluck the 4 strings with your index finger, your first finger, G, D, A, E, E, A, D, and G. Let's play a couple of rhythms. Ta, rest, ta, rest. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta, ta.